If you want to know how to buy shares of BioRestorative Therapies Inc., this video walks through the steps for the NASDAQ-listed company under the ticker BRTX. BioRestorative is a biotech firm working on regenerative medicine and cell-based therapies, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker account, and I use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, which usually requires a government ID, and you must add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker BRTX to find the correct listing. Select the entry that matches BioRestorative Therapies Inc. to open its trading page. On the asset page, check the basic company description and the price chart to confirm you have the right security. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker BRTX before proceeding. To place an order, click Invest. Choose the amount you want to buy, then review and confirm the order details. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before it completes your order. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or executed when the market reopens according to the order type you selected. Once the trade executes, the position will appear in your portfolio, and you can monitor it from there. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.